approaches its sixth weekly gain as OPEC's output boost disappoints. And Italy's top soccer league reportedly in talks over a broadcast deal with Abu Dhabi Media. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Oil prices are on track for their sixth weekly gain despite OPEC Plus's agreement last night to boost output. The cartel decided to add 648,000 barrels per day to the market in July, up from the 432,000 barrels per day increased in recent months. It's a shift from the cartel's recent stance of sticking to a planned pace of monthly production hikes. But the action by producers doesn't seem to be enough to calm oil markets, with futures contracts rising. Italy's top soccer league Serie A is reportedly in talks over a broadcast deal with Abu Dhabi Media and on a separate agreement to host its Super Cup in the Emirate. The league is reportedly exploring a deal with Abu Dhabi Media, owned by state holding company ADQ, to screen its matches in the MENA for 5 seasons. Through the deal, Serie A clubs would pocket at least $153 million over the 5 years. Telco giants Telecom Egypt and Etisalat Misr have inked 6 new deals worth $911.4 million, through which Telecom Egypt will provide infrastructure, access, and voice services to Etisalat Misr. The largest deal of a 10-year transmission agreement is worth $670 million. This agreement will ensure Etisalat Misr's existing and future network expansions on Telecom Egypt's infrastructure. Etisalat Misr, which entered the Egyptian market in 2007, is a subsidiary of the Etisalat Group, or E&. Coinbase says it will extend its hiring freeze for the foreseeable future and rescind several accepted offers to deal with current macroeconomic conditions. The crypto exchange says it will pause hiring for as long as this macro environment requires. Officials say they always knew crypto would be volatile, but the volatility combined with larger economic factors may test the company in new ways. Coinbase stock is down more than 75% since its market debut last year through a direct listing. Ford says it will spend $3.7 billion on assembly plants in Michigan, Ohio, and Missouri. $2.3 billion of that will be for electric vehicle production. Ford plans to build more than 2 million EVs a year by the end of 2026, a move it hopes will make it competitive with industry leader Tesla. And staying with Tesla, Elon Musk says Tesla's AI Day has now been pushed to September 30th as the Optimus prototype may be working by then. Optimus is a humanoid robot that Tesla is working on priority. Musk has previously said it could be launched next year. He says Optimus could eventually address global shortages of labor and in the short term might be able to carry items around a factory. This is Tesla's second AI Day, the purpose of which is to convince great AI, software, and chip talent to join Tesla. Celebrations are in full swing to mark Queen Elizabeth II's Platinum Jubilee, with a military parade and gatherings of large crowds in central London and around the world for that matter as she celebrates 70 years on the throne. However, the 96-year-old monarch will miss today's national service of Thanksgiving at St. Paul's Cathedral, as Buckingham Palace says she experienced some discomfort after the first day of celebrations. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.